Imagine this. You wake up every morning and you know you have a flexible online income. No commute, no boss, just you and your laptop. And this is all possible thanks to the digital AI hustle. Today, I'm going to show you how AI is transforming the daily grind and how you can get started right now, even if you have no prior tech skills. Let's be real. Traditional jobs can feel really limiting. You're tied to one location, your income stays fixed, and it's hard to break free. But I've seen how AI is changing everything. It doesn't just open up online income. It lets you learn at your own pace and scale your success faster than you ever imagined. Let's break it down with a simple example. Say you love writing. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you craft all kinds of content. You can go on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and offer AI-powered writing services. Or, if you love design, AI tools can create stunning graphics in minutes. Every step, I'll give you a clear roadmap. How to start, how to sell your services, and how to build a network that grows with you. If you're ready to change your life, click that subscribe button and download my free starter guide in the link below. Your journey starts today, and I'm here every step of the way.